Top 10 Most Poisonous Animals. Animals can be cute as they can be deadly, and some of the deadlier ones happen to be so because of their extreme poisonous qualities. Welcome to our channel, and today we'll be presenting you with our countdown on the top 10 most poisonous animals in the world. You'll be shocked to find out which one sits at the bottom of our list, so stay until the end to find out this secret. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn notifications on for more great content like today. Without further ado, let's kick off our countdown. 10th place, Asian tiger snake. We're starting our countdown with a snake, as many would have expected from a list of poisonous animals. In this case, we're starting off with the Asian tiger snake, which can be found in Russia, North and South Korea, China, Taiwan, Vietnam and Japan. It feeds itself on small vertebrates, frogs and toads. The snakes manage to feed using chemical and visual cues to find their prey. This species has two nuchal glands in its neck that sequester steroid irritants obtained from eating poisonous toads as a predation defense. Despite being extremely venomous, there haven't been many deaths recorded due to the snake being quite passive and preferring to flee or lie still when threatened. There's actually a reason for this. The Asian tiger snake is not such an effective predator, as its fangs are located in the back of the mouth, so a successful strike on a large object or prey can be difficult for them. However, this snake has the distinction of being both poisonous and venomous, meaning it can apply poison via getting in contact with it or by it applying it directly through its fangs. 9th place, hooded Pitifui. The hooded Pitifui comes in the 9th place of our list, one of the few poisonous birds in the world, yet still no less deadly due to this. Their poisonous qualities were discovered first in 1990, when scientists that were preparing the skins of the hooded Pitifui for museum collections began experiencing symptoms of poisoning, numbness and burning of their skin. That's because the pituhuis contain a neurotoxin called homobatrachotoxin, of which similar types have only been found in the Colombian poison dart frogs. The poisonous pituhuis, including the hooded Pitifui, are not thought to create the toxic compound themselves but instead obtain them from their diet. It's possible they produce the toxin thanks to consuming it from beetles that also contain it. 8th place, box jellyfish. The box jellyfish comes in our 8th place, being one of the most venomous animals on the planet, and also the reason beaches where they flock to have red flags warning swimmers to take care or else die. It is so venomous it will kill you within 2 minutes if you receive 2 meters or more tentacle contact. If a tentacle touches the skin, it results in a very painful sting. Although the notoriously dangerous species of box jellyfish are largely restricted to the tropical Indo-Pacific region, various species of box jellyfish can be found widely in tropical and subtropical oceans, including the Atlantic Ocean and the East Pacific Ocean, with species as far north as California, some even reaching the Mediterranean Sea, Japan and South Africa. They are so dangerous that beaches in Hawaii get closed just because of the danger these things pose to humans, though there are ways for a person to protect themselves from their sting by wearing lycra suits, dive skins or pantyhose. They actively hunt small fish rather than drifting, and they are actually quite fast. 7th place, striated surgeonfish. The striated surgeonfish is yet another marine creature known to be extremely poisonous. It's in fact one of the few herbivorous fish to be toxic, as they accumulate toxins produced by the algae they feed on. They cause ciguatera poisoning when they are eaten, and the poison contained within its tissues causes fatal neurological damage or lasting sequels. 6th place, Hawksbill Sea Turtles. Hawksbill Sea Turtles come in the 6th place of our list, acting as small, agile turtles with an oval-shaped body and powerful toothless jaws with a raptor-like beak. Hawksbills are omnivorous, consuming seagrasses, sea urchins, barnacles, small animals, and their favorite food, sponges. In the Caribbean, as hawksbills grow, they begin exclusively feeding on only a few types of sponges, and they can eat an average of 1,200 pounds yearly. These sponges are usually toxic, though the hawksbill's body fat absorbs the toxins without making the turtle ill, but their meat is potentially poisonous to humans, which is why they are deadly. If humans were to eat hawksbill's sea turtle meat, they would probably experience poisoning from their toxins. 5th place, Brazilian wandering spider. Known as the banana spider, don't let the Brazilian wandering spider silly nickname distract you from its true danger. This species of spider is frightening and extremely venomous, being even rated as the most venomous animal on the planet in 2007. The spider causes serotonin poisoning, which can cause paralysis and death in less than an hour. 4th place, stonefish. Another extremely deadly marine animal is the stonefish, and its looks make it quite clear that he's not a friendly guy. Stonefish pose two main dangers. They are almost invisible when underwater, as they camouflage almost flawlessly against rocks and coral, and their spikes are extremely deadly due to their poison. They have killed several unfortunate swimmers who stepped on them and met their ends due to their venom. When the stonefish is disturbed, it may inject an amount of venom proportional to the amount of pressure applied to it. They also extend a specialized spine known as a lacrimal saber for self-defense. It's highly advised that you seek immediate treatment if you step on a stonefish, as the venom can cause severe pain, heart failure, and of course, death. The venom can also lower white blood cell count and lead to infection of the area even after appropriate treatment of the wound. However, stonefish is edible to humans if prepared properly, as the protein-based venom quickly breaks down when heated, while raw stonefish served as part of sushi is rendered harmless simply by removing the dorsal fins, which are the main source of venom. 2nd place, pufferfish. Coming in the 2nd place of our list, we have the seemingly harmless but still very dangerous pufferfish. They swim in the waters surrounding Japan, China, and the Philippines, as well as Mexico. Though they are extremely venomous, they are also a delicacy in Japan, and with safety measures they can be eaten and enjoyed. The other option is dying when you consume them, so that's a bit of a bummer, though. Nearly all parts of the pufferfish, its muscle tissue, gonads, its liver and other parts contain a powerful toxin known as tetrodotoxin, which when consumed causes a tingling sensation, burning in your mouth, nausea, headache and speech problems. Ingest a little more and you'll probably die from convulsions, paralysis, or a terrifying cardiac arrhythmia episode. One puffer fish contains enough toxin to kill 30 adult men. Of course, they also have the interesting feature of ingesting a huge amount of water and increase their body size, turning into oddball-like creatures to scare predators away, developed as a self-defense mechanism because they are poor swimmers. Puffer fish vary in size from 1-inch long pygmy puffer to a 2 feet long freshwater giant puffer. Despite this, sharks are mysteriously immune to tetrodotoxin, being able to eat pufferfish without any issue. 1st place, poison dart frog. The cute and shiny poison dart frog comes in the 1st place of our list as the most poisonous animal in the world. They are diurnal frogs that show a very bright coloration, and gain their toxicity due to eating ants, mites and termites. The reason why they are so dangerous is because their poison is kept in their skin, so only touching them is already a danger for your life. Death is certain if one of these frogs is consumed, and when handled roughly, they cause pain, cramping and stiffness. The most poisonous of these frogs, the golden poison frog, scientific name Phyllobates terribilis, has enough toxin on average to kill 10 to 20 men or about 10,000 mice. A fun fact is that they are called dart frogs due to the Amerindians' indigenous use of their toxic secretions to poison the tips of blow darts. So, what do you think of these extremely poisonous animals? Would you like to have any of these as pets? Let us know in the comments. Also, remember to leave us a like if you enjoyed our video, share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more fantastic content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time for more.